key accounts. Moving paper, gotta call it my account. It's all in, I can have it coming out. And through the struggle, I can see another drought.
Hey guys, so this is going to be for the beginners within our Investors Club, and especially the ones who are just now coming in through the Patreon group trying to get access to our Discord. There is a little confusion just for the fact that there are multiple steps that you'll be needing to do, like the Patreon and Discord integration, and then heading over to the Discord, sending me your TradingView username. Now, how you get on TradingView is obviously tradingview.com, or if you don't mind, use my affiliate link. I'll drop that down in the comments. But anyways, let's get started. I want to show you real quick what you'll be going into within your Patreon when you find us. Now, the Patreon link, I will provide that too in the description, or it's patreon.com, and then Investors Club. Patreon.com/Investors Club. It's really easy. Once you're into there and you've purchased one of the tiers or whatever the case may be, you'll just go over here into your profile settings and click the profile settings. It'll bring you here. You'll scroll over to the apps, and then you'll there it is again, and then you'll scroll down to the apps, or over to the apps, and into the integrations area. Just link your Discord together. The Patreon bot that we have implemented within our server, it will shoot you into the server, and it will give you access to the members only area. At first, it may put you in the disclaimer verify. All you got to do is check mark, but I do want you guys to read that. That relieves the responsibilities and the issues that we're not financial advisors. It's not financial advice. Everything you do is basically on you, okay? I just want to make that clear. But anyways, once you do that, then you'll be able to gain access to the members only within Discord. Then you'll literally just add me as a friend. The username is right there, Chris Jackson, #sign or hashtag 1502. So remember, Chris Jackson 1502. I'll shoot you over a TradingView link, and then once you get access to TradingView, which looks like this, we do have. I use dark color theme. That's my personal preference. It'll probably look like this when you first get on TradingView, and you don't need to get premium or anything like that. You should be able basically have the free version will suffice. And what you'll do is you'll go over to charts, go down to indicators, and this is once I send you the invites and enable our indicators. Now, these are indicators and strategies that I've used for years. They're common within the trading and the stock market world. We're using them for crypto. We have tweaked the inputs that basically helped us in our probability of success with numerous back testing trades, correlations, comparisons, and whatnot. They do work. They're about 95 to 97% accurate once I get to teaching you how to read them, how to confirm in certain instances, and I'm going to show you that in just a second. The invite only scripts area right here, you'll see 5 of them. You'll see the Chris Jackson buy sell signal MACD. I've coded it to the point where you'll have green and red circles for visual indications whether or not to buy or sell, etc. The CJ Crypto Ichimoku. Okay, this is the crypto. If you're trading crypto, obviously you'll use this one. If you're doing stocks, you'll use the stock. The inputs are different for the fact that the stock market is 5 days a week versus crypto is 24/7. And the RSI and the last squeeze. Now you can add these however you want to. I'm just going to do these for an example, and then I'm going to show you how to rearrange them. Ichimoku Cloud, RSI, stock, last squeeze, and buy sell. Okay. If you're on free, you're not going to be able to do all of these. How you remove indicators is you hover over here and then just hit X. Since I'm doing crypto, then I'm going to remove the stock Ichimoku. And then right here, okay, volume, it's not been working. I need to get a hold of TradingView. But anyways, you can remove volume for now until we get it fixed or they get it fixed. Because some of the members have been saying they can't run the RSI if volume's up because TradingView only lets you have 3. Somehow we've been able to push the 4 because this is within your chart, and then 3 here. So if these are out of whack, this is what I do. I push RSI down. You just hover over here on the right hand side, push it down. I want my MACD right underneath my Ichimoku cloud, and then the last squeeze. The MACD, don't sell or buy on every signal. I'm going to train you and educate on how I perceive things, how I do my gut checks with the last squeeze and the RSI, and multiple time frames to get into the perfect setup. Now, as you know, this is a Bitcoin chart. It has been highly volatile. One of my favorite coins to trade because it is the fundamentals. They do have some value in the community of crypto, is XLM or Stellar Lumens. Just for instance, you can see our buy and sell signals. 30 minutes, a little bit better. And then the hourly is also, but you still have some fake outs. But I'm going to teach you guys how to get in positions such as the 20 cent here and ride it out to 27, or even up here at 26, get out, get back in, get out, etc., etc. So that's the couple steps that I need you guys to do if you're new to our Patreon and our Discord group. Is, again, integrate with Discord here. That will give you access to our members only. You'll go up to your home area, and then friends up here. Add friend Chris Jackson 1502. Where's my right here? Here's the username again. And what I'm going to do is I will be able to get with you guys, set you up on the TradingView indicators. Once you send me your TradingView username, please use the affiliate link. That's all we ask. But anyways, that will get you set up using our indicators. As you can see, we have, this is the processes to help the new beginners get started. We have an alert system. We have back testing. All of the back tests that I do, I typically put them here. Homework assignments for all my the students. The lounge is just for everyday talk or whatever, general talk. Our trading floor, our DeFi, trading room, classroom, and admin, and then up here is our public lobby. If you're not willing to get into the Patreon group quite yet, we are giving you certain signals every week to be able to trade off of, make some money, get you to where you can join our community on the paid side. So anyways, if you see this video on YouTube, like it, subscribe to the channel, and until next time, guys, happy trading, and I'm always here for you if you need help. Thanks.
I don't want it all. Heard he scammer, had to switch up the accounts. Moving paper, gotta call it my account. It's all in, I can have it coming out. And through the struggle, I can see another drought.